CID SPICE for Life is a curriculum for developing auditory skills in children ages 5 and up with hearing loss. Skills covered by SPICE for Life include improving auditory memory, listening to music, listening in noise, identifying environmental sounds, listening during conversation, localizing sounds, listening to suprasegmental aspects of different voices, and listening with or through technology, such as a phone or computer. Each chapter in the SPICE for Life manual is organized to provide research pertaining to the goals of each skill, considerations for teaching the goals, and ways to adjust the difficulty of activities. The SPICE for Life manual provides ways to practice skills in structured settings, as well as in general education settings and at lunch, recess, and home. In addition to the manual, the SPICE for Life kit includes a pad of rating forms and a resource book containing student worksheets and games. You will also find practice pages for home use, a DVD with sounds, picture cards, listening scenes, and a multi-purpose game board used for reinforcement. All of these great materials are arranged in a teacher-friendly box to take on the go. Use the SPICE for Life rating form to evaluate a child's current listening abilities and to set auditory goals. Once you've determined where to begin, plan your lessons using the activities in the manual. Use the key provided to help gather the materials needed for each lesson. The picture cards provide a way to practice identification tasks when introducing skills. The resource book contains fun and interactive lessons for every skill. As auditory skills emerge, the practice pages can be sent home to involve caregivers and to help develop skills in a variety of settings. The listening scenes are a fun way to conduct many different activities, such as improving auditory memory and identifying environmental sounds. Use the game board to practice a variety of skills for multiple children at different abilities. SPICE for Life is an effective tool to help your students move beyond the foundational skills covered by the CID SPICE 2nd edition. Each SPICE for Life lesson is designed to help you help your student develop essential, real-life listening skills.